So your assignment for this week going to be to make a prototype of the system for regulation of the brightness and color gamma of RGB LED using Rotary encoder. So I have a Rotary encoder here and I have a LED displays. When I am rotating my encoder, I can regulate intensity of each color. So right now I'm regulating intensity of the red color by clicking on the switch. I am changing to the next color, so I'm changing to green color, so now I'm regulating intensity of the green color. Then I can regulate the intensity of blue color, and after then I can do some kind of regulation of mixture. So now I have a blue color on, I can mix red and I can mix green color to this one. So by changing those relative intensity of each of the color, I can tune the color according to my needs. So that is your goal. So please start working on the project. You can use I do recommend to use separately. Start with your LED, make sure your LED works, then make sure that your Rotary encoder works, and then design the code on base on provided references to integrate that to one project. Thank you.